how to fix login errors on the Possible app. If you want to fix the login errors on the Possible app, there could be many ways to actually fix it. Now for this, what you can basically do is you can first of all go ahead and then check if your internet is working just fine, because most of the times it's just an issue with the internet connection and nothing else, so make sure they're working just fine. After you've done that, you want to simply go to your settings. Then from there you can simply go to the option called General. Then from there you can go to iPhone storage, and from here you can go to the show all button and search for the Possible app from here. So simply scroll down and look for the Possible app in this case, and after you've done that, you should be able to offload the app. So go ahead and then offload and reinstall the app. After you've done that, you want to simply go to the App Store and simply search for the Possible app and check if the Possible app has an update. So if it does have an update, then make sure to basically update it to the latest version. If it is still not helping you solve the problem, then chances are that your login details are incorrect. So if you forgot your password or email, you can just try to tap on the forgot password button, enter the phone number and tap on continue to be able to reset your password. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.